Hey guys, Chris McPhail here again from Impact Off-Road Group. We just thought we'd do a quick video on the latest facelift model S510P and how the four-wheel drive system works. It is very straightforward, but it is slightly different to some of the older specs. So with these ones, a lot of it is just buttons and switches. So for four-wheel drive, if you're in high ratio like we are now, four-wheel drive is simply pushing a button, push the four-wheel drive button, a light will come up on the dash and that will show you the four-wheel drive in green. Push it again, naturally it'll go back to two-wheel drive. For your low ratio, what they have is they have a neutral gear in the transfer case. So the neutral gear is made for towing. If you want to go into low ratio, you don't have to be in four-wheel drive. You can go from two-wheel drive as long as you're at a standstill and not moving. Lift it through to the center, which is your neutral gear, lift it right to the top, and that's your low ratio. As soon as you go into low ratio, it will automatically go into four-wheel drive because low ratio won't operate in two-wheel drive. Again, it'll bring up a green four-wheel drive light on the dash. If you want to go back into high ratio, simply stop again, push it right to the bottom, back into two-wheel drive. For Diff-Lock, it's a separate button. They have Diff-Lock in the rear on all of the models that we bring in. Push the button, the light will come up on the dash of this one and it will flash green. It only operates once you go into low ratio. So when you go into low ratio, the light will go solid and all of the other dash lights will come up to explain to you that you're in Diff-Lock. Again, push the button, Diff-Lock will go off and you're back to normal again. That's probably all we need for that because it's going into the same thing in low ratio. Yep. It'll do the same thing, light on, light off. So I'll push the Diff-Lock button now.